Hello guys, today I am going to describe 5 symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D, also referred to as a calciferol, which is a fat soluble vitamin. Normally we get vitamin D from certain foods and sunlight. The normal recommended dietary allowance for vitamin D is range between 400 to 1000 international unit. Vitamin D is very versatile in its functions. It has innumerable functions in the body. Every cell has a receptor for vitamin D. Vitamin D promotes calcium absorption in the gut. It is essentially needed for bone growth and reduction of inflammation. The deficiency of vitamin D is always underrated. At times, we can never realize its vitamin D deficiency. We tend to confuse it with other disease because of its subtle, misleading symptoms. Here are 5 underrated symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. The first major symptom of vitamin D deficiency is fragile bone. Whenever we afflict with a fracture or joint pain, the root cause could be vitamin D deficiency. That implies that lack of sunlight even can contribute to fracture. The second common symptom of vitamin D deficiency, poor immunity, because vitamin D is the indispensable requirement for our immune cells. The vitamin D can boost the immunity by helping to produce 2 powerful antibiotics called as cathelicidins and defensin. So, without vitamin D, our immune system will be helpless, armless. So, they can deal the battle with the microbes. Third main symptom is tiredness and weakness. In my clinical practice, I have treated hundreds of patients with this simple remedy. I will ask my patients to get exposed to sunlight, and within 15 days, their fatigue get disappeared. What is the mantra here? Once they exposed to sunlight, vitamin D production got boosted in their body, which was ultimately responsible for managing the fatigue. I have observed one more phenomenon in my clinical practice, which is a depression. When I prescribed vitamin D supplements as little as 1000 international units every day, many depression patients got complete remission of their depression symptoms. Recent studies have strongly suggested that vitamin D can boost the production of neurotransmitter, and ultimately that can subside the symptoms related to depression. The last and most important symptoms of vitamin D deficiency is frequent upper respiratory tract infections. As I pointed out earlier, vitamin D is the indispensable requirement for our immunity. In the presence of vitamin D, our immune cells produce 2 powerful antibiotics called as defensin and cathelicidins, which is the exact reason most of the COVID death patients had vitamin D deficiency. Most of the patients with adequate amount of vitamin D did not suffer from any of the complication of COVID, because in the presence of vitamin D, our immune system produces antibiotics which can minimize the damage inflicted by microbes. These are the 5 symptoms of vitamin D deficiency that we don't normally recognize. The solution for vitamin D deficiency, there is a 2 solution for vitamin D deficiency. Either you can get vitamin D from sunlight, or you can get it from capsule form. It is mandatory that you should follow either one of it. Either you should get from sunlight, or you can get it from supplement forms. Definitely sunlight is the better option. The sunlight exposure once in a week from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Minimum 2 hour sunlight exposure in a week is mandatory to have adequate vitamin D. If you opt for supplements, try to consume 1000 international unit every day for lifelong. So, 2 hours of sunlight exposure in a week, or 1000 international unit of vitamin D supplementation every day. These are the 2 choices to boost your vitamin D production. I conclude by saying that sunlight is the best healer. Thank you.